So, my goal for this year is to try to go back to the old saying reduce, reuse, recycle, or upcycle. In today's case, I'm going to take an old sweatshirt that I love that's beginning to show its age and try to breathe a new life into it by using a t shirt that no longer fits me. So, let's get crafting. First thing I had to do was remove the beads, sequins, and the wings on the owls. This was a long and painful process using a seam ripper, but would allow for the cutout to lay nicely on the sweatshirt. Once I had cut out the pattern I wanted from the t-shirt, I took an embroidery hoop and started hand sewing around the edges of the sun and the moon in their chosen colors. This took a couple of days. Once I was done with the colors, I went around to reinforce the edges by embroidering it with black thread. I had a supervisor keeping me company during this process. He also watched while I refined the edges by cutting out the black pieces of t-shirt material I didn't want. He approved of the finished result, but what about you? What do you think of this finished product? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any suggestions on what I should reduce, reuse, recycle, or upcycle next, let me know down below. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and stay creative. Toodles for now.